Big Chicken Day. Guess what holiday it is?
Morbidly Obese Chicken Day. This is great. Action.
So this year I don't have my celebratory onesie because the goblin took it. They won't answer me back. Anyway. Flip. I was hoping to do that flawlessly, but it looks like that won't be happening today. Jeez, hurry! Oh no.
Catch mine. I mean, just kidding. Get out of the way.
Alright. Let's go see how people are celebrating this beautiful season. Look at your scooter too.
Oh, okay. Doing a wheelie. Doing a wheelie, bro.
Let's go around the neighborhood in massive quotation marks and see how they're... Oh, I see. So, this house is celebrated. Oh, look at that. Look at that Big Chicken Day spirit right there. That's a pumpkin. More Big Chicken Day spirit. Look at that. Some autumn leaves. That's all. Some palm trees. That's not very festive, but you know, get what you get and you don't throw a fit.
Exactly. The moon's out.
Wait.
Oh, it's behind the...
Wait, dude. Can you see that, folks at home?
Can you see the moon?
I don't think you can. Oh, yes, you can. Look at that. The moon's out. It's 9. That's how early it gets dark in the fall season.
Anything else festive happening?
Oh, that's our truck.
Oh.
Kinda. It's the Ford version of our truck.
It's a Ford version of our truck.
Yeah. Well, Daddy's truck. Is that a bad word?
That's not festive. Tree here. Beautiful. Absolutely glorious.
Watch out for that big bump.
Is that the baby son from Teletubbies?
All grown up?
Yeah. Exactly. It's the baby son from Teletubbies all grown up. I don't see any festive decorations. This is very upsetting.
It's a 3. What do you think that could mean to Big Chicken Day?
Maybe there were 3 sails on the boat on the Mayflower.
Maybe. Let's hunt for some red leaves. There's one.
Find these. They're almost red.
That's our collection so far. Happy Big Chicken Day. That was not embarrassing at all. Let's move. Oh, there's a homeless guy coming up. Just put the phone in my pocket. We're joined by a sick boy. It is all about the relative. It's about the relative. I got some apple cider vinegar. Go along with it. Thick chicken. Thick chicken.
Today we're going to learn how to play our first playing the guitar. This video
I've been playing for years. Oh. Alright, I'm done. Thank you, worship.
And this one is for Chevy and the Olivia Toyota. That's
I'll be reviewing this roll today.
Noah.
First of all, it smells
No. He's a butt soldier.
like chemicals.
the young is the other guy.
Has the texture of bread. Oh, it looks like this too.
Yeah.
It feels squishy and doughy. Has some texture there, like sandpaper, but not even close to sandpaper, you know? Exactly like that. And then, oh, what does it sound like? This, you can hear that. See? Tastes like how do you explain taste?
Tastes like a roll.
There's some butter somewhere. Mostly bread and a tad of chemicals. That's how you know it's a good.
Minecraft is the best way to celebrate Big Chicken Day.
Listen, I'll just take your turkey.
Ken has a beard. You see that? That's a beard right there.
Just thinking. Just stroking my beard.
Alright, now I'm making a turkey petting zoo. That didn't happen. Hello. Oh god. No, in case you can't read, you're half deaf and don't have a calendar, it's Big Chicken Day. Right now, it's the Big Chicken Day break, as they say. And I'm sick. I've been sick for like 5 days on the Big Chicken weekend thing. Big Chicken Day good. Yesterday, I had some chicken, potato wedges. Ba-da, da-ba-ba. At the Big Chicken.
But before we do that,
Hey, this is our friend here, so we're gonna put you in a petting zoo. Is that cool? Stop. So we came to an agreement. As long as I give him all of my life savings for the rest of my existence, we can put him in a petting zoo. So then let's get ready. All right, folks, let's get work on the sign. Wow, aren't I so good at drawing? Wow, look at me, I'm so good at drawing. I would all right, time lapse. There it is. Took me a total of 7 minutes. I really pushed myself with this piece here. Pulled myself to my artistic limit. Okay, trust me, I'm good at drawing sometimes. Okay, I just see the resemblance. No, I'm not calling you fat. Time. Oh, my turkey sandwich is here. Well, time to set it up. There's Big Tree. Another good season for him. Look at this hideous soil.
No, I'm an innocent bystander, please. Coming out of your allowance. What were we doing?
Setting up shop.
Greased.
Oh.
Man.
Alright, just a second. Professional tape arrangement. Now we wait for the customers.
Start rolling in. You want to come see a turkey petting zoo?
Turkey petting zoo.
One in a lifetime opportunity right here, folks. Step right up to the turkey. Can I have some money? Do you think maybe we shouldn't be right next to a dumpster?
Let's change up shop here. Step right up.
Step right over.
Turkey petting zoo. One lady literally face palmed. A few people smiled and honked and waved, but no customers. Turkey petting.